How to delete an Instagram account in 2023. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete an Instagram account in 2023. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Once you get into its app, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Menu from the top right corner and choose the Settings and Privacy option from here. Now from Settings and Privacy, tap on the Account Center option. Then from the Account Center, choose the Personal Details option. After that, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now choose the Deactivate or Deletion option from here. And then select the account which you want to delete. After selecting your account, choose to deactivate or delete the account option. As you wanted to delete your account, so select the option Delete Account from here. Then choose the reason for deleting your account and tap to continue. To complete the process, you need to enter your Instagram account password and tap to continue. After that, your account will be deleted successfully. Also, check out our video on how to unblock someone on Instagram Laptop 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.